Alrighty then. Hello world. Ohio, Sakai, good morning. Wow. Close out of all these. All that. Close out of that. Okay. Alright, so. We are starting over on the Pokemon thing. Because now I'm actually going to be organizing everything. Okay, files, projects, RPG Maker. Pokemon. MZ. I'm just going to call it Pokemon MZ. I'm going to call this main project. And then in the folder we will also have other stuff. Okay. Once that is good, I'm gonna open the folder now. Okay, let's see. I guess it's okay if I keep it here like that, but let me move over some though. So what I really need to do is center the dang TV. Neo, what up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I'm just gonna open the entire folder here because we're gonna put plans and all kinds of other stuff. Happy face for the readme. But yeah, I'm about to reorganize the way this is in a minute. Pokecore.js. You think you started a comment war? Why, what happened? There we go. Okay. Amen. All I did today was say that you like Glaceon more than Vaporeon, and everyone's going crazy. I mean, both are adorable. Both of them be like super cute. Okay, cluster hack, use this folder, project 1. Calling Dr. Juan. JS. Shader loader. Okay. So this would be OSB for old scene base. And MB for menu base. Glaceon is an ice type, arguably the weakest EV. Well, no, because oh wow, Leafeon, Leafeon getting hate. Hey, Leafeon's cute too though. But yeah, I feel it. Yeah. So yeah, it sounds like you did indeed start an interesting argument. To be seen. Base. And this would be scene menu base. Okay, and then we're gonna do you know, if you started a war. And... Wait, what do you mean? Why is the maximum call stack suited? Scene map, scene base, scene menu base. Oh! It should be, dude. Alright, that's really stupid. Huh? Oh, never mind. I thought you called me. Prepare filters equals function. I hate that we can't use classes like that. I mean, it's okay though. I mean, we're just aliasing a thing, so it's like. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Did you know Vaporeon is okay? Set up to you. Oh, you talking about the Pokemon hentai stuff? Yeah, it's everywhere, dude. If you don't know about Pokemon hentai, you're either a liar or a saint. Alright. So yeah, that's working. Do load shader. Most breedable or stronger? Pick a side, comments. Let's do stronger. Because most breedable sounds like it can go down a dark path and we don't want to go there. Okay. Shaders slash. No, it's just a name, right? Yeah. Just the name of the source. You know what? I'm going to organize this better. We're going to put this in filters. Or into the data folder. Excuse me. Kikala. Okay, so now we actually gotta make that. I mean, Jolteon can paralysis it with its speed, but glass cannon. The strongest, in my opinion, is either Jolteon or Flareon. Umbreon's really cool. Espeon is actually overpowered with her psychic stuffs. In such a battle, Jolteon is weakened, so Glaceon would have a stronger blast. True. Very true. Oh. I'll just, like, steal the one from Banette. Projects. Wait, what are these two random files? Hold on. But how'd these get back? I thought I moved everything. Okay, that's weird. Alright, so. Yes, we don't need the precision floats. Well, yo, hold on. With this, yeah, I didn't think so. Because the load uniforms thing. Okay. I'm gonna call it BPP. Bits per pixel. Wait, I want to do this more optimally. How does the did I just make a battle between all the EVs? You did, and you did it fast. After all said and done, Umbreon because Espeon weakens the dark types. True, but yeah, I think Umbreon would come out on top. Depending though, because okay, if you use that Hypnosis and Dream Eater combo, bruh. I need to change my default search engine, dude. I guess I'll give Bing a shot, but I don't know, dude. It's... That was pointless. Okay. Okay, so min val, max val. Okay, so that's not gonna help us then. What is mod F? Huh? Separate a value into its integer and... Oh! Dude, that could be useful, especially for GPU compute. Round to the nearest even, that's a good function. I don't... What's smooth step? Yo, we're be learning everything right now. If that doesn't happen, Sylveon has more room to attack. And then now if they were outside of the gaming possibility Pokemon. These are unhinged. Yes. Like, dude, if I had a Pokemon in real life, you know, I would make that thing an absolute unit of a tank. Like, hold on. Okay. Edge 0, edge 1. Okay. Specifies the lower edge of the termite function. Of the termite function now. And then the value of the upper edge. The source value for the interpolation. I am so going to use this. Holy. Okay. Frag color equals current. Now, watch how insane this is. Failed to spawn. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna uninstall that thing. Or just disable it for now. What the hooker? Dude, I know. Alright. You know what? Uninstall. I should have just reloaded. Whatever. Anyways, this is gonna be crazy, dude. What's not a WebGL function? Uniform float BPP. Current equals texture. Okay, what do you? Which one is not? Oh, yeah, duh. My ears. Okay, call of undefined, menu base start. Oh. Hold on. Making progress? We are indeed. We are indeed. There. Okay. So BPP should be that, right? Okay, is it just not applying a filter anymore? Scene manager, not scene, not filters. No, it's just a color filter. Why? Okay, hold on. Get out of here real quick. But yeah, hello. Hello. Scene manager dot scene dot poke filters. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, so it is there. It's just not setting the uniform, is it? No, the uniform's fine. So why does it do that every dang time, dude? Okay, I think I see what's going on. Yeah, I do see what's happening. Okay, this needs to be const function. So no unhinged Pokemon in there. Indeed. Got you. That's gonna be fun. Now instead of this dot filters, it needs to be scene manager dot scene dot filters dot push. No, well, no, because it's not gonna exist. Why? Why? Well, what's after the dang... Okay, you know what? Here we go. I'll do this. See, look, man, it's at the bottom of initialize, right? So, it should be after all of that. Why isn't it? Why you gotta give hard time? What? Okay. Put our plans over here. Watch this jank. You ready? What was it called? Create color filter. Why? Is it just this part? It's not. What is going on? Does it need to be seen? Maybe. Dude, I'm about to get mad. Why is RPG Maker so... Look, dude, it sets it right friggin' here. Okay, console.log, this. Why is this being called after, though? Because I'm calling everything before that, so this should not... That shouldn't be. Like, the create color filter, that should not be calling at all. Yeah, see, we got that. Look, what? Oh, I didn't do the dot color, did I? Well, whatever, we got it now. Our color filter thing is working. My ears are bleeding from the sounds. There we go. Alright, sometimes it's just that simple. It is. We don't talk about those moments, though. For our own sanities. Okay, actually, you know what? There. My earbud keeps, like, getting loose, and it's, like, getting on my nerves. Uh, okay, so back to research because I want to do a couple of things. GLSL saturation algorithm. Algorithm. Whatever the heck I just typed there. Okay, Cmax equals R, Cman equals, yeah. And then XY times boost Z. Okay. You take your data from RVB color space to the HSL. I'm not talking about HSL, I'm talking about RGB. Oh, well, yeah, we would still rely on that. Okay, so... And instead of, like, just grabbing a snippet, I actually want to learn how it's done. Like, I mean, you could do that by reading the code, but... Okay, RGB equals R plus M, and M is what? Okay, M is L minus C divided by 2, and C is 1 minus the result of 2L minus 1 times S. Okay, so I got this. Based on the way that it's working there. All right, let's see if I can do it. Vec 3. Well, let's just do Vec 4. Vec 4 sat boost. Vec 4 input. Float amount. Okay. That's just converting though. What was the algorithm again? Oh, well, looks like, okay. Well, yeah, but that's not really helping us any, is it? That's overcomplicating it. I'm positive there's a better way to do it. I remember reading about someone fighting a troll and the player decided to get eaten. Rip it out from the inside. Oh, that's clever, dude. As long as you know he ain't got no teeth. Otherwise, you get a nasty, wicked infection, dude. Yeah, so far, this is just HSL stuff. They're mostly business saturation here, so what you need to do, your fragment. So we do need to do this? Well, that's interesting. Well, in that case, let me try my own thing. Alright, input the RGB times equals vec3 amount minus input.g amount minus input.b amount minus input.r. No. Yeah. No. Times. Okay, so let's try this. Frag color equals stat boost. Frag color, let's say like 2. I doubt this will work, but I need a base to kind of go on. And parameter 1 is not a type of WebGL parameter. What are you talking about? Is it the min-max thing? Illegal use of reserved word. Oh! What? Stat boost, no matching overloaded function found. Hello? Oh. What are you talking about? No matching overload function found. Dimension mismatch. Assigned. Cannot convert from const media. What? Oh, yeah. Okay, so vec4 color equals color. Medium float to a high 4-component vector of float. What are you talking about, dude? This? No? Okay. Is it because, hold on. Did I just not put a decimal? That's what it is. Well, no, that's how we increase brightness, though. Although, if Hakuto gets a... Is Haku here? No. Isn't that 20? When kicking... Someone's shin? Yeah, their leg is probably... Okay, I think... Okay, you misspelled broken. Says my video is upcoming. YouTube figured YouTube would do something weird like that. That's a little too bright. Okay, so how about we try this? Oh, that's cool. We just have made like an autumn kind of color thing go on there. It's still a mega bright though. You misspelled broken? Oh, yeah, no. You misspelled it. It's supposed to be spelled annihilated. Hello again. I finally had a day off. Very good to see you. Yeah, welcome. One Jerry. I hope you do enjoy the stay. Alright, so let's just try this. At this point, I'm not even doing saturation anymore. I'm just poking around. Never mind. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Na 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 na. Where did my chat go? Never mind, there it is. Yeah, this isn't boosting anything anymore. Alright, I'm just gonna steal a function because I don't feel like hold on, duh, we're boosting the saturation and everything before we do the conversion. I mean after, we need to do it before. No, it's still way too yeah, no, that's way too bright. Alright, I'm just gonna steal a function. Not yet, actually. Yeah, I will. Okay, so credits to -34. Thank you for the thing. And I will now learn from this. I will also tweak it. No, I won't. Yes, I will. What am I doing? Okay. Oh, yo, maybe we should take a day to go over this. Kind of, yeah. A little bit, Laughing Bat. Very similar. But like, for NZ and stuff. Yeah, that's right. You gotta rename the thing. Okay, so yeah, it seems to be working. However, we decreased the saturation. So let's see, 1.5. Yep, there we go. Okay, so we have our saturation and our 8-bit color, or 4-bit in this case, 4 bits per pixel, which would actually end up being, I don't know how many bits. I'm only gonna, we'll just make it a uniform. Well, good luck with the mess. That is catch rate. Oh gosh, yeah, dude, that's gonna be an interesting one. What is so Pokemon about this engine? At the moment, nothing. Making any tutorials? I looked at comments saying that it'd be awesome if you made a tutorial. Took simple plugins and rebuilt them with explaining how they work. Yeah, yeah, I can do tutorials as well. I mean, I've been thinking, right, about a video series, but at the same time, I don't know how, like, long that'll last because I tend to get burnt out a lot. But yeah, I do initially plan on a programming tutorial series. That didn't even make sense. But yeah, you know what I mean. Let's go something like that. Yeah. Also, maybe we should hold on. .48 BPP. It's 16-bit color. Okay. Somehow I doubt that, but alright. I mean, hey, sure enough, you can see like the 16. No, that's definitely not right. Oh yeah, duh, we need to do that divided by 4. Really? Can you not calculate? That's 12, okay. Wait, no, it's 3, right? Well, I guess that'd be 16. Yeah, bit per pixel and channel. Yeah. So should we go 16-bit, 8-bit, or 4-bit? Like, 4-bit is Game Boy Color. Let's try 8. Eight is like a total of 256 shades of color. Well, give or take, because like we also have opacity in this case, but I'm actually about to apply a dithering pattern for the opacity. What about the whole IP thing at XPA? IP thing? What IP thing? What happened to my drink? I don't know what to do with it. Be right back. Oh, yeah, so about that, I'm not making any money off of this, and I'm not claiming any, like, of the original Pokemon works either, so technically, legally, I'm just making use of, like, resources that already exist, and if they want to talk about, like, the theft of the art, I'm not the one that stole it. Somebody else did, and they published it. So legally, there's not really anything they can do if I wanted to push hard enough. But I don't. I'm not going to do that. Like, if they'd be like, hey, shut us down, I'm going to be like, no. And if they say, do it or we'll sue, I'll be like, bruh, try me, fam. But then I'll be like, I wouldn't want to deal with it, so I'll just be like, oh well. Yeah, exactly. But court processes can go through, like, for years, and it's a huge headache, and, like, that's not something that I want to deal with. Yeah, but at the same time, though, Jerry, like, just, you're not claiming that name. You know, that name would still belong to like, well, in this case, Game Freak and Nintendo. Who owns the name Pokemon? I know like Game Freak owns like the rights for the game and stuff, but who? I guess Nintendo would hold the rights for the name. You know, that could be cool. I do know someone who would be like really good at that as well, like the art style. But yeah, for the most part, I think it'd be a good idea to do that. Maybe after we got. Okay, so Game Freak does own the name of Pokemon. Okay. All right, so 56 divided by 4 would be 8, right? No, 64. Duh, I'm stupid. Yeah, 64 colors, and then that would be divided by 3. Yeah, so, okay. No, 4. No? Okay, hold on. Look. Let's do some math. All right. The values of RGBA run from anywhere between 0 and 1, right? So 100 would be 255. So if we want to calculate the real bit rate, like bits per pixel and whatnot, I guess what we would do is just want you to be safe, man. I got you. On Pokemon. On Pokemon, yes. Unpromon. I love it. That's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be called Unpromon. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, what was I doing? Oh yeah. So the Game Boy Color has 56 total colors that it can do on screen at once. But that's all comprised of like 16-bit color, believe it or not, things. You can have like any color from the 16-bit palette, but it's very limited. Like you can only have like 3 colors per sprite and a total of 56 colors on screen at once. I'm not gonna go that far with the limitations, but I do want to do this right here. 64 divided by 3. Okay. Hold on. So we have 100 divided by 256, right? That's going to be our multiplier. No. 100 divided by 255 is our multiplier. Okay, so we do 64 colors, which would be 8-bit. Divide that by 4, which would be 16. Multiply that by that value there, and then this is our true 8-bit value. So float true BPP equals 100 point divided by 255 point divided by 4 point. No. Okay, this would be times that. So we have our BPP. Two times BPP times that would be that. All right. $100 equals 001001100 But please, whatever you do, make the map connections easier than XP. Definitely. Like, I might actually write an entire, like, custom thing. Okay, so to see if this is working, we're gonna need a full hue saturation, like a full-on 32-bit color image. What is this? Oh. Okay. I'll play later. Lilac face. Like Nabbit Fear. Alright. So... Really? Now hold on, how can I... Okay. You might ask, why am I not using Chrome? I use both, for different reasons each. For Chrome, like I use it for like to log into stuff that I forgot my passwords for. Because I don't have anything saved here. I could import, actually. Huh. Yeah, let's do it. Where's the search engine thing? It'd be here. Where is the search engine? Am I blind? I'm not blind, right? Like, where the heck is the... Alright, I'll figure that out later. For now, let's do the color image here. Not shopping. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to make some dithering happen as well. So it's going to be really cool. Like, instead of alpha channels and stuff, you know, like how Sega did, or like, that's a good example. I don't know, actually. Alright, so yeah, that looks like a perfectly good thing. Okay, projects, RPG Maker, Pokemon NZ, IMG, pictures, 24 bits per pixel. And I am going to... I guess I'll just make it here. This dot t image equals new sprite. No, okay, no. What I'll do, I'll just do it here. I'll make it like a little script. Manager dot load bitmap. No, load picture. 24. What was it called? What was it called? 24. Oh, bit depth. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So that thing there should have only 8 shades of red, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, it is 1000% incorrect. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see, that's only 5. That's definitely incorrect. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Yeah, so it's still BP divided by 2. So why is it? Oh! Oh my gosh, that's annoying that it doesn't do that anymore. Well, duh, point. Anyway, I'm about to move on from the color thing and do some Pokemon definitions. 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe? Mm-mm. How did I do the thing here again? What did I do? I did... Okay, so the bit that... Let me try... Oh my gosh. Let me try that and see if that does what I'm looking for. What the heck, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 8, 9, 10, 11. How does that make any sense? Well, okay. See, if we do the regular, like, just do regular BPP, then it works. But, like, it's not accounting for, like, opacity stuff. So, like, and it seems to double as well. So, like, this looks like 16-bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, and then black and white, so 15, 16. Well, I guess that'll do fine. So if we want 8 bits, just do, 4 bits per pixel, but I don't know, man. It's just not, it doesn't feel right, you know? And I know why. The dang saturation. What the crap, dude? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is it 7? 3, 4, 5. No, dude, that should work. So... Oh, 0.25 plus for that, yeah. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, now it's only... What? Negative 0.25? Did we go backwards with it? Or is it no? So it needs to be a 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, I see what's going on. But first, let me... That should be 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but it's 9. So then... Okay, let's try this then. So it'd be BPP minus 0.25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and then 0 is just off anyways, but it's still... Huh. The raw BPP value, though, is 8 in this case. Well, now it's 4. But, That's where the difficult part comes in. You can't console log through shaders, I don't think. Oh. Well, not get shader log info shader. Ooh. That's how you show any error messages. So you can only check what's happening by inspecting output colors. Okay. That is very, very, very CPU heavy to iterate through all of this. So what I'm going to do instead is this. Alright, so we have 0 to 255, right? Which is the initial. Like, that's your RGB, right? RGBA each. But in WebGL is 0 to 1. So 0 to 100, you can say. So we need to... Okay. So I need to convert the 0 to 1 to 256, which that's not that difficult to do. You know, you would just do... let's see. First we take the... Yeah, so we multiply the original value, right? So let's say it's a 0.5, which is like 128 for the red, right? And then we do times 100. Yeah. Can I not type? Oh, this calculator's duty, dude. Alright, one sec. Oh, I don't have Node installed either. We'll do it right here. Okay, so. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Okay. 0.5, right? Times 100. Oh, can we not do that? Fine. There. Divided by... Oh, that's why. I just did it like that. Okay. So we don't need a console log? Okay, good. Well, heck, we can just straight up do 255. Yeah, 256. Alright, so we take that... and then we divide that by what? Well, that's how we can get the RGB, but the raw RGBA, but how do we do anything with that? Where'd my brain go? Hold on. What? How's that gonna help me at all? Oh, no, it will. Because what we can do... Okay, good. What we can do is vec3 new RGBA... Wait, new RGB equals vec3 current.r current.g current.b times 256, and then new RGB equals round new RGB divided by divided by the bit depth, so BPP, times BPP, and then Divide that by the circumference of a hooker as usual. Current RGB equals new RGB. No? Alright. Why? Yeah, because... Yeah, and then we clamp, oops. Dang it. Yeah, I didn't think so. Alright, I guess we'll just go with the... Work backwards, start with 8 as your answer. And fill in the info. Okay, let's try... So this is 4s, right? So there should only be like 4 different shades of red. And this just almost got rid of black because like we used seal, but this helps me see other stuff though. 1, 2. Yeah, there's like in between shades, so there's definitely current dot A equals seal round current dot A. So it's either going to be, yeah, just, you know, to get rid of the alpha. Yeah, there's still that weird, you can't hardly see it, but there's actually an entirely different shade, like right between here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, no, this isn't making... Alright, so if we round it again, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, see, now it's 7. White and black don't count, but otherwise that would be 9 bits per pixel, which is definitely weird. We don't have 9 bits set, so we need to yeah, rounding gets us 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, because this right here, there's like 2 different colors here again, so that's not... Alright. What did I do to get 5 last time? Just divided it by 1.25. Which means if we divide by... Actually, 0.933, well, 3 exponential. Which would be like multiplying basically by 0.03333. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Times 1.03. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, nope, there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it. That's the one. There is 8. It's just they're like very, very close together. So it'd probably be easier to see the green actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, close enough anyway, you know. Yeah, close enough. Okay. So, but yeah, so the BPP seems to be doubled. So this is gonna have to be like that, and then divided by 2. Because we have it set for 4, right? So there should, but it's doubling. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double this as well. One, two, three. I guess white would count though, right? Yeah, black and white would, so it's actually over. I forgot about that. Yeah, black would be 0 and white would be 1, and there needs to be like any number in between. In this case with 4-bit, that means there should only be 2 shades of red. So we just do BPP divided by 4? No, that only makes 1. But divided by 2 makes it the BPP, so they'll have like 4 shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Eh. Okay, let's try flooring. Flooring makes it look real ugly though. Yeah, and it gets rid of white entirely. 1, 2, 3, and it's still 3, so. I got you. Here's the 1. 0, 1, 3. So we only need like an extra shade. And that's how we know it's going to be accurate. We only need 1 extra shade. And like... Pink is 2. No, so the pink would be a result of 1 blue and then 1 red. Either way, red, blue, and green. The solid red, blue, greens should have 8 different shades. Did give me an idea though. GIMP. Come on, Gimpy. Be a pimpy. Okay. Are you just like stuck? Oh, never mind. There it goes. Okay. Instead of like just having. Okay. Bye, Neo. Install for all users. Install. You are the one. You are the Father. Yeah, I just need like excuse me, 1 shade of red. Well, not 1 shade. I need like 1 row of pure red, 1 row of pure green, and 1 row of pure hooker. So yeah, how we're gonna do that's pretty simple. If I can ever get GIMP installed. But yeah, here soon we're also gonna be working on the actual Pokemon class. You know, the class that like holds IV values, all that crap. HP, MP, base stats. Not so basey base stats. All kinds of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting dead bored, so I might just skip to that. GIMP! Why? I'm on an SSD, dude. Come on. I'm gonna play D&D. Dungeons and Dragons. Oh, after this, I'm gonna go back to modded Elden Ring with my friend Fear. So we have seamless co-op, and we also have the Reforged, I think it's called. It's freaking amazing, yo. I recommend those mods if you have Elden Ring. Is this ever gonna install? It's just like, it's so slow. What is happening? It's downloading a virus. Kappa. Alright, you know what? Let's just move on. Class.js. Class Pokemon. Constructor. Settings. Well, no, we'll just, yeah. This dot. Hold on. So we can do. HP. No, this will be a battle class here. So let's do, yeah, well, MHP, MMP. Hold on. This is MHP 0, MMP 0. Sorta? No, it's completely different. So think of Dark Souls 3, but like amazing. More amazing. Dark Souls 3 is good, but dang, dude, that wind almost it shook the house. Holy crap! I hope the power don't go out. That'd make me mad. What time is it? 3:30. It's okay. What? Oh. Benji boy. Okay, so 256. We'll just do 624. Alright, so I'm gonna have a bar here. Could be black. Okay, so the first bar we're gonna fill pure red. Well, only reds, not pure red, but gradient. Make sure it's 256. Yeah, okay. Well, 255, but you know. Did there? Yeah. And I need to bring this all the way to the tip. Is that on the tip? It should be at, yeah, 256. 100 and, yeah, I'm not worried about that. Well. And now, okay. Yep, 256 pixels. There we go. Alright, so that's our red. I can probably cheese this. Yeah, with a exactly 90. Never mind. That's not correct. Man, alright. I was hoping to save some time by switching to Geico. Oh, you know what? No. Watch this. We can save money by switching to Geico by doing this right here. Where's colorize? There it is. Ah, that's awful. All right. See, by wanting to save time, I ended up wasting quite a bit of time. This is 0, 225. Oh, wow. I landed right on it, dude. Almost. Okay, so that's the blue. Like a running game? No. I would look it up on YouTube. It's very, very fun. Like when you multiplayer. I'm getting ready to end the stream here in a minute. So I can go ahead and get back to it. But yeah, I really recommend checking it out. Alright. So there's our RGB. Now, I know for a fact this has every shade of red, every shade of blue, every shade of green. I got rid of OneDrive so many times and it's still there, dude. Oh my gosh. That's starting to get on my nerves a little bit. OneDrive is. Yeah, dude, that'd be fun. But I just don't know, like... Yeah, we can schedule time. Pictures.
Yeah.
Now we can really get to work here. Okay, that has two shades. You know what it is? It was using sRGB. And I bet that's it, because now BPP actually looks like it's going to be the BPP. We could isolate each channel individually. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. But no, this should have a white at the end. No, it shouldn't. It should not have a white at the end. Okay, so right now it's technically 5. -1? Why? Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. There we go. That's it. Now we got it. Okay, but it needs to be instead of that it needs to be 7. Yeah, because we're trying to get rid of we're trying to exclude the alpha channel, which is an entire another situation here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. That looks good, but at the same time, it's not quite. Yes, it is. That's good. Oh! 6 plus 2. Blink and what? Maybe it would just be a 0.75, like straight up. Like that. What the hooker? Yeah, okay, that's good. And just to make sure that we're doing good, I will now do this. And then do this here. And do this. Where's the flip? Oh. Yoinkus deloinkus. And see how this looks. As well as this right here. Just gonna. I just need something random. Like. You know what? That'll work right there. We got it. We freaking got it. But just to be 100%, there should also be 4 different shades of black and white as well. So let me do this. Let's go all the way black. Don't forget to bring a towel. You should always bring a towel. One game. 0, 1, 2, 3. Boom, son. Why was that so complicated? That should not have been that complicated. Anyway, moving on to dithering now. For that, we're gonna need to take the moon and take the sun. Take everything that seems like fun. Dude, the dithering is gonna look awesome. Because I have like new ways of doing it. Yeah, you know, Chowder. Okay. No, it's still a back 4, right? Yeah. Return, and then what was that function that I found? Smooth step. And it works by doing edge 0, edge 1, and type X. So edge 0 is the lower edge, and the harmonic function. Dude, the house is like literally shaking because the wind is so strong right now. This is source value for the interpolation. Or interpolation, okay. So wait, what the? There was a regular smooth function? Is that here? Is that a floating point thing? Vector? Built-in class? Texture sampling. Interpolate at centroid? What? There's more interpolation functions? Vec3 interpolate 9T sample. Specifies the interpolation sample and the sample. Sample is the... Okay, that's not going to help me. Cover offset. Vec2 offset. Interpolant. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Oh, dude, this is going to be sick. Interpolate at offset, and then okay, yeah, it is a vec 4. Well, it can be anything. It can be a float or a vec 4. Okay, so I'm actually going to comment that out and comment that out, and then do current equals next neighbor right current. And see what this does for us. It should make it look a bit blurry if it's doing what I'm thinking it's going to do. So interpolate on offset doesn't exist. Okay, good to know. Oh, that's GLSL4, that's why. Whatever. So instead, I'll just do this. And then this will be the result of absolute ret minus color. Yeah, and it should make it blurry. It does. It did. Okay. That's what I was wanting to happen. Okay, so now count. You know what? We'll just make a next neighbor function. X. So now this should make it weird looking. Oh, come on. Oh, it's because I didn't do the decimals. Okay, so yeah, see how like we have like the blurry, like the text here, for example? And what that's gonna do is this right here. So we need to do for float I equals 0 point, I is less, well, let's do -1 point, I is less than 2 point, I plus equals 1 point. And the same thing with J. And after this, I'm just going to go ahead and end the stream because my brain... So already this should like give us a weird result. What am I talking about? X is undeclared identifier. Huh? No, it's not. Float X and float Y. It's not unidentified, dude. What are you talking about? Oh. I'm dumb. Yeah, alright, so that's going to give us a sort of Gaussian blur effect, but now what we need to do is say if ret is greater than color, return that, else return ret. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. What are you talking about, dude? Only defined for scalars. It's an if statement. What? Why? Okay, then. Okay. So, it's gonna look weird right here. But okay, no, that's not good. Neither is that. Nah, okay. So then change the subtraction a little bit there. I know, right? There it is. There's the dithering I was looking for. Now, can I make it brighter, but like not like that? Like, okay, let's try this. Min max. Color plus red. Color red. In the XP version, when you tried changing the name of the Pokemon, it broke the game. Wait, really? That's weird. Alright, so there's our dithering. And now I want to apply this with... that and it's... Okay, it's starting to work, but it's not quite strong enough yet. The menu here would be a great place to test it. Let me debug this. Huh? Oh. Okay. It hurts my eyes, but it looks cool. Okay. Yeah, let's just do... Alright, so we don't actually need that anymore. Okay. So that did help a little. It still looks very jank and weird. And that's just too blurry. Nah, that's just a straight up blur. And that does nothing. Well, heck, let's just do... Go back to that real quick. That's just a straight up solid dither right there. It's not... It's not, Okay, I have an idea then. What? What are you talking about? Oh. Yeah, going back to this real quick. Else, just straight up return color. And if it is, then we're gonna do this. Return min, max, color. Times 2, and the minimum would be a color, and then the maximum would be maybe? Kinda, but we're backwards with it. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything for us. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm about to go too. Thanks for watching. I got you. I see what you did. So yeah, we're gonna do mix again, but color red 0.5. Why is it still doing that? no. Alright, this is my last thing, and then that's it. I'm going after this. Alright, so that is working like I thought. It's adding the details there. But it's not... Like, that's not gonna do anything. That's just gonna make it blurry. In before disaster? Alright, I'm done for tonight. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. My brain is tired.